Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to play the chords for Hold My Hand, O Lord. So if you haven't watched the beginner tutorial yet, you can watch it up here, and that's where you'll learn the melody. Okay, so let's get started. There are 5 chords that you need to learn, and this is the first one, A minor. So A, C, E. That's the first chord. The next one, you just shift it down 1 note to the G major chord, which is G, B, D. Then the next chord, you shift it down 1 more to F, which is F, A, C. Now the next 2 are pretty similar. So you move down 1 again, and you get E minor, which is E, G, B. And the final chord is very similar to E minor. All you do is take this middle note, the G, and you move it up to a G sharp. So it becomes E, G sharp, B. So this is E minor, this is E major. So those are your 5 chords. So now let's put it together with the melody. I'll put the chords up here again so that you can follow along. Alright. And that's how you play the chords for Hold My Hand, O Lord.